What's going down, everybody? Jared Red Racer video. Hey, today's video is not about me or my car, believe it or not. Well, it's kind of about me. It's gonna always be about me a little bit, but it's about that car back there. So ride with me for this one. It's gonna be fun. This car here behind me is gonna be somewhere in the neighborhood of 1200 wheel horsepower when they get it all dialed in tune. It's on a new turbo setup, but we'll get into that now. Thanks for riding with me. Today we're going in Lurch. Jared Red Racer video. Let's get into it. All right, so this is Lurch. This is the owner, Jeremy Hart. He is not Lurch. Let's get that clear right now. People call him Lurch. This is not Lurch. This is Lurch. This is Jeremy. Lurch. Jeremy. All right, Jeremy, real quick, since I know how much you don't love being on cameras like this, tell me a little bit about the car. I kind of told him already we're going from a Pro Charger to a Twin, but what else could you tell me about the awesomeness of this vehicle?
I don't know. That's about all there is. It's awesome. We're gonna hit the dyno tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Oh, cool. That's why you got to drive it tonight?
Yeah.
Nice.
Got to break it in. Hoping to be around 1250 to the tire through the automatic. Yeah. Probably
429 LSX, right?
429 iron block LSX. 6-bolt PRC heads.
Gear Star 4L85.
Yep. Gearstar 4L85, ZL1 differential, drive shaft shop, differential axles and drive shaft. Got a Super Victor Edelbrock intake and elbow.
What's that, JD? What's that? Who's them?
JDP Motorsports. I don't know if you've heard of them. They're kind of a cool.
Oh, these guys.
Space.
Oh, yeah, these guys. Yeah.
Got Ride Tech coilovers, triple adjustable all around.
Explain triple adjustable.
So there's 3 different ways you can adjust the coilover for compression and rebound, high and low.
I see.
Yeah.
So that's it. This is the beast. This is what I'm going to ride in right now. I don't think we're going to get crazy. Just got to do some break-in miles on it so they can do the wide open throttle stuff tomorrow on the dyno. But that's it. That's my ride for tonight. And that's Jeremy, a man of many words.
Oh, yeah.
We got a lot out of him tonight. I'm proud of him. All right, here we go. Wish us luck. If you guys can't tell, I'm sweating a little. Jeremy, how long did it take me to get this seatbelt on?
I don't know, my watch battery died, so.
He's not exaggerating. It was that bad. 5-point harnesses suck. I'm sure it'll be cool when we crash, but it's not fun putting it on. I'm ready, sir.
All right.
It's a manual-matic?
Of sorts, yeah.
Automagical?
No. Right.
That's cool. The sound is almost the coolest part. we had to come by the house, show the kids, and there's a bug that flew right in my ear. What, boo? Love you, boo boo. So we had to come by the house, show the kids, and now I'm gonna, because you guys might have thought I exaggerated on the seatbelt, we're going to put the seatbelt on and let you watch.
5 minutes as long as us to get our seatbelts on.
It might take me that long. Let's see.
And it might start with a jerk or something like that.
I don't know what she just said. All right, watch out, bud. I got it. Move. Okay, so pull the bar out of the way. Here we go. Hold on. All right.
Bye-bye.
Hold on.
Rev it.
Oh, man. Oh, fat guy in a little coat. Oh, hold on.
Jeez.
Sorry, I broke the bar. Okay, we're almost there.
Got to put the pin in it too.
Okay, put the pin in. Hey, kids. Still going. Still working on the pin, so we're not really making a lot of progress yet. Oh wait, pin's in. Okay, pin's in. Here, Jeremy, hold this. There, like that ish. Okay, here we go. Oh. Okay, you guys ready? All right. One belt. Oh. 2 belts. Half the struggle last time was that belt though, so we're already in good shape. Okay, bottom. Side. Man, we're killing it already.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah? Just right. Dude, look at that. Like an old pro. This wasn't nearly as bad as it was before. Boom. Oh, wait, hold on. Tighten it. Timer on the watch. 2 minutes. That was way better.
Good job.
Yeah. Race car shotgun driver pro right here. These seatbelts aren't very awesome for necks.
Imagine me with sunburn coming home on Saturday.
Oh, that had to suck. Jeremy doesn't believe in sunscreen. He believes that when you're as white as he is, the sun will actually reflect off of you and not burn you. But that proved foolish last weekend. All right, I'm red eye.
Good?
Yeah, here we go. Street car. Temps look good. So far all seems well, yeah?
Yeah.
Haven't eaten up a turbo yet. That's good.
Yeah.
Alright, so that is that. Nothing crazy, just putting some miles on the turbos before he dyno tunes. It will go on the dyno, we're hoping or thinking tomorrow. So I will try to capture some of that and bring some of that to you guys in a future video. But just some break-in miles. It's got a little over 100 on the new turbo again now. Because that's what they want him to have on it, is 100 miles before they do anything wide open throttle or any tuning or anything. So did it once before and now doing it again on the new turbo. So I don't know if you guys had fun with that. I did. And I thought it'd be cool to bring something to the channel besides Lola, because that's the car that's always on there. And I haven't done any reviews recently because I kind of just like the fast cars, I'm not going to lie. But that's about it. We'll let you hear Lola, or sorry, gosh, keep doing that. We'll let you hear Lurch one more time, and then we'll wrap this thing up. You gonna start that piece of crap or what? She's bad. That's it. That's Lurch, 1200 wheel horsepower tomorrow, or maybe 1250. See what happens. Thanks for watching Jared Red Racer video. Catch you guys in the next one.